Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach dip. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth process. You'll need 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, thawed and squeezed dry to remove excess water. Also, have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of sour cream on hand. Don't forget 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or mozzarella, and any desired seasonings to enhance the flavor. Now let's get to the preparation. It's crucial to thaw your 10 ounces of frozen spinach completely and then squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This prevents a watery dip. Next, finely mince a small onion or a few green onions to add a fresh, zesty kick. You can also mince 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic or use about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for convenience. Having all ingredients at room temperature will make mixing much smoother. Time to bring it all together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your softened 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of sour cream until smooth. Then, add the thoroughly drained spinach, along with your minced onion and garlic. Stir in about 1 1/2 cups of your shredded cheese, saving a little for the top if you plan to bake it. Finally, season generously with salt, black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy, mixing everything until well combined. Your spinach dip is almost ready. For a delicious no-bake version, simply cover and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, letting those flavors really come together. If you prefer it warm, transfer the mixture to an oven-safe dish, top with any reserved cheese, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly and golden. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Serve your amazing dip warm or cold with tortilla chips, crackers, or fresh veggies. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.